what's up guys? I'm sorry about that intro, but what's up guys? I'm gonna be teaching you how to do that on your basic guitar. So it's very cool. If you don't know, I've been guitaring for a little while, 2 or 4 years. Just kidding, I just started it. I just got you on. But if you don't know, a shot just got this pedal. Yeah, it is Sheikh Ibrahim. Very cool. This is good guitar. It's an acoustic, semi-acoustic. It's not audio. The rest is a lot of noise. Okay, so it's very cool. So I'm gonna teach you this really cool chord type of thing. And let's get on to it. First of all, I have to set the camera, right? Oh my god, it takes so much time. Okay, let me set the camera, I'll come back. Okay, first thing you need to know is your simple-headed. Just a second guys, Zalia is watching Uncle Grandpa. So now as you can see, you have to have a big pick. A huge guitar. You could use any guitar. So let me make it down so you can actually see my guitar. What? As you can see, I have a pretty large guitar for myself. And as you can see, all of these cool strings. So I'm going to teach you how to do this. Very simple. So I'm kind of working on that. So it's very cool. I love it. You don't have to do this. That's the best thing about it. But to add more tune, I add mostly the D. I add the D for the CTV. I add the D chord in it. So that was cool. I'm on my bed right now. I'm father's bed. So you gotta. So if you do that fast, like from the top. Okay. So you do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can hear that clearly. I know I have a pink, but it's the biggest one I have. Okay. Just the best. Wait, let me take out all the Hot Wheels in my pocket. 4. 3. Only 3. Okay, so this is very cool. because